This is the instructions for the 17 ounce mason jar mock-up. When you get your files, there should be two. There should be a PSD and a movie file. Make sure they're saved together somewhere on your hard drive. So save in the PSD. First thing to do is make sure you've got the timeline on. Enable you to scrub through the frames and render the video out. To get your design on there, just double click this step 1 in the layer stack here. Just double click this thumbnail. This section you don't have to do anything in, all you need to do is go to the layer stack again and double click step 2. Here's where you put your design, so just go File, Place Embedded, navigate to wherever you save your design files, and position it as you like on the area. When you're happy with its position, close this smart object and say yes, must say yes. Close this one and make sure you say yes as well on this one. And then scrub through to check everything looks sensible. And then when you're ready, go to this burger menu here, click Render Video. You can go with most of these defaults. All you really need to do is set the folder of where you want to save it and give it a file name, and then click Render. So take a minute or two depending on how fast your machine is. I won't render it now. Other things you can do, you can change the background. All you need to do there is double click the background on Smart Objects and go File, Place Embedded, and drop in whatever backgrounds you want to use. If you want to change the jar colour, open up the jar folder and there's this blue marked layer here and it's got an effect on. You can change the colour there. This might clash with any designs you've got because it's using the multiply blend mode. If you don't want it to clash, switch to normal. There's a shadow which is optional, and you can select this reflection layer and dial those up or down to your liking. And that's everything.